We have some big breaking news coming in. Aryan Khan now leaves for court from the NCB office. Remember, Aryan Khan now will have to go through court's decision on whether or not he gets bail. Aryan Khan currently, visuals coming in of him leaving court. He leaves from the NCB office to court. In fact, this comes even as huge political storm has brewed around Aryan Khan's arrest and this drug bust. Here is Aryan Khan, all set to leave for court from the NCB office. Remember, of course, India Today is tracking all those developments, giving you all the sides of the story here. A clear picture, a transparent picture on what exactly is happening right there in Mumbai at the NCB office. And of course, the kind of political storm that's kicked off over NCB raids, where they had BJP leaders or workers accompanying the NCB officials while they raided the spot and arrested Aryan Khan and co. This has led to a massive political row where the NCP has accused the NCB of working at the behest of the BJP. BJP, of course, says that the focus is deliberately being shifted away from the actual issue. Let me cut across to Mustafa there, joining us for more on that. Mustafa, here you see Aryan Khan, who's all set to appear in court in a little while from now. He's left from the NCB office. What's expected? Could he be hopeful of a bail this time?
Well, it's difficult to say as of now before the court hearing starts. First important thing would be whether NCB asks for his further custody, and the sources are telling us that it's likely that they will be seeking 2 days more custody for Aryan Khan. On what grounds, that is awaited. The magistrate will decide whether the further police custody has to be decided given to Aryan Khan or not, or whether he has to be sent to judicial custody. The second important thing would be that once the bail is applied, whether the bail is heard today itself, because if NCB is asking for a police custody, it's very likely that they will also oppose Aryan Khan's bail. So the court may give NCB time to file a reply for the bail, or whether the hearing can take place or argument can take place today itself. So there are a lot of ifs and buts as of now, because it's a due process which will have to take place. What we can say as of now, that Aryan Khan's custody has ended today, and hence NCB is taking him to court. Whether new revelations will be made in this case will only be revealed at once the court hearing starts. The convoy you can see is leading towards, they have not taken the turn for the magistrate court as of now. We'll have to see where the convoy will be headed. It could be a round turn and then going to court. But yes, like in some time, it's likely that Aryan Khan will have to be produced before the magistrate. Then the arguments will be made, and then the rest will be in the magistrate's hand. Back to you.
Well, Mustafa, here we know that Aryan Khan and of course Shah Rukh himself getting a lot of support from Bollywood fraternity. Many of them taking up for Aryan Khan, giving out their support and assurance that all will be well soon enough. It appears like the political storm has really tainted this entire investigation and the bust of the NCB. How has the NCB responded to all the allegations of BJP workers prompting them to raid a party like that?
Well, yes, all the support and allegations started coming when it was revealed that there was a private detective and a BJP worker present to escort Aryan Khan, and they have been made witnesses by the NCP, but the videos clearly showed that they were escorting the accused, which means the private citizens being with an accused is something which is not in the process of law. And after that, there have been aspersions being cast on NCB's investigation that it's politically motivated, and then slowly the political allegations and support from Bollywood has started coming in this case. But what we can say that prima facie it looks like the allegation and the private citizens being escorting Aryan Khan is somewhere diluted the case and raised its objection. The NCB for their count has denied all these allegations. They have said they are doing fair investigations without any fear of favor, and they will also come out with concrete evidences in this case. As of now, what we know is that the custody may have been granted, but there is no clarity whether any drug possession was being found from Aryan Khan, whether in his blood test drug has been found. What are the clear grounds? Allegations of Panchnama being made and yes. Panchnama being so Aryan Khan has been taken to court from the back gate. We are getting down, as you can see.
All right.
The convoy has been parked here, and we are walking towards the gate. This is the left side where the magistrate court is there, and you can see the police convoy here has been present. So from to avoid media cameras and a crowd, it looks like Aryan Khan has been taken from this back gate where you can see the cameras now. And Aryan Khan and other accused have reached to Mumbai Magistrate Court, where further decision on his custody will be taken. Back to you.